Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के जमात अव्वल के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के बच्चों के लिए है। तो आप तैयार हैं? तो चलिए क्लास स्टार्ट करने से पहले सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। So dear students, which number is this? Do you know? This is number 4. In this video, we will learn number 4 and we will learn to write number 4. Very good, very nice. आज की इस वीडियो में हम नंबर 4 समझेंगे और उसे लिखना सीखेंगे। Are you ready? Let's start. So dear students, this is the picture of bottles. And how many bottles? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 bottles. And what is this? Tiffins. And how many tiffins are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tiffins. And now we have to draw 4 beads here. You also draw. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? Very good. Here we see 4 water bottles, 4 tiffin boxes and 4 cubes. Isn't it? Very good. Now we will see how to write number 4. Let's write number 4. F-O-U-R 4. Very good. Now let's see how to make number 4. 3 and 1 make number 4. 3 and 1 makes 4. Understood? Very good, very nice. How many fingers are there? 4 fingers. Let's sing a song of number 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4. A car has wheels 4. Will you shut the door? A car has wheels 4. Will you shut the door? Do you like this song? You like it now? Very good. Very nice. So dear students, let's do some fun activity to understand number 4. Look at this picture. What is this? This is a picture of ice cream. So we have to color 4 ice creams here. Let's color 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Very nice. And what is this? Candy. We have to color 4 candies here. Let's color it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And what is this? Chocolate. This is chocolate. Now color 4 chocolates here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have you done? Very good, very nice. Now we will trace number 4. Trace like me. 4, 4, 4, 4. Very good. Now we will write number 4 in these empty boxes. Say while writing, write 4, 4, 4, 4. Very good. So dear students, we learned number 4. Thank you.